Hello, teachers. Darryl Salter here at DS Video Productions. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm here to introduce my bundle of new Animal Avatar Presenter videos. These videos are high quality and low cost. They can be used with your younger students to present a variety of topics in a fun and engaging way. If you're a teacher that likes to use supplementary materials in class, these short 1 to 2 minute videos are a great resource to have. For this bundle, I have chosen parts of speech, such as verbs, adjectives, or prepositions. You can buy these videos in a ready-made format, or if you want something more specific, I can make a custom video for you. Teachers can buy these videos individually or in bundles for a great discount. Please watch the following samples. If you have any questions, please PM me or leave a comment below. Happy teaching!
Hi, my name is Ricky the Raccoon. I am one of the animal avatars here at DS Video Productions. Do you teach children in your online classes? Would you like to use animated animal characters in your lessons with kids, that are fun and engaging? Let me introduce a few of my furry friends to show you how.
Hello, my name is Dingo the Dog. I can help you teach verbs to your students. Verbs are action words of things we do every day. Ruff! Eating, walking, reading, and my favorite, running. Ow!
Ribbit, ribbit. I am Freddy the Frog. I can help you teach adjectives to your students. Adjectives are words we use to describe nouns, like a friendly man, a tall building, or a scary snake. Oh, I don't like snakes. The adjectives are friendly, tall, and scary. They describe what the nouns are like. Ribbit, ribbit.
Hi, my name is Betty the Bunny. Do you know what a preposition is? Prepositions are location words, so we can tell where things are. This is my friend Tommy. This is his favorite car. Where is Tommy? He is next to the car. Next, he is on the car. And he is in front of the car.
Hi, I am Felix the Fox. I am here to teach you about conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words. They connect words and short sentences. Let's have a look at these sentences. The dog is a loyal and smart animal. I want to go out to play, but it is raining. Is it Monday or Tuesday today? The conjunctions are and, but, and or.